This is the cut-through road, the old way to get into Quinlan on 276. They've changed it now, but this is the old cut-through road. Pretty thawed out here. 276 wasn't bad. There's a few spots, but it wasn't bad. It must have got a little warmer here in Quinlan than they did in Royse City. As you can tell, most of the snow and stuff is melting except for driveways. It's crazy how 8 or 10 miles makes a big difference in this snow and ice. By the house, roads was still icy and snow. Here they're all thawed out. Just little patches here and there of snow and ice. I wonder if there's gonna be any buffalo or deer out up here on this big ranch. See where these deer and stuff, buffalo are out up here. Okay, let's get up here so we can see these deer and buffalo, see if they're out. Don't see not one deer out there. Usually every time you pass, there'll be anywhere from 20 to 30 deer and a bunch of buffalo out there. I guess not today. Patches here and there. Pretty much the road's pretty much clear. It's wet, so it means it's gonna freeze tonight. It's supposed to get down, I think, 18 tonight. That'd probably be pretty rough in the morning, but right now it's pretty good. the other deer farm. Don't look too bad. This road's already cleared up. They must have put something down since we just came through here not even 20 minutes ago. It's solid white. That's crazy, isn't it? It's literally been 20, maybe 25 minutes since we just came up this road and it was solid white. Huh. believe what 20 or 25 minutes is done to this road. We literally just came up and it was solid white. There wasn't even tire tracks. They had to come through here and spray something on the road to thaw it out. I'll look at my video that I recorded a while ago, see how long it's been, because I know it couldn't be no more than 20, 25 minutes. And this road was solid white. That's crazy. Definitely need my phone mount in here. Damn arm gets wore out holding the camera up for this long. Man, I can't believe how much this thawed out since we just came through here. Riding damn bicycle on this snow and ice. That ain't no kid, that's a damn old Mexican. He's probably in his early 40s. I thought he was a young kid. Yeah, my road's still iced up. This is what 1565 looked like when we was going up to Quinlan a while ago. Cut this off. Y'all seen what the roads look like. I just want to let anybody know driving around out here what they look like.